Looking for a tripod that is flexible as your content schedule? The ULANZI MT-11 might just be your new best friend. Whether you are filming on your phone or a DSLR or even upside down from a tree branch, this flexible mini tripod, hidden phone holder, promises to hold everything from your iPhone to your mirrorless camera. And today, I'm going to unbox it, test it, and give you the real first impressions. Let's unbox it first. The packaging is simple, branding in up front and specs on the side. Inside you're greeted by the MT11 tripod in all its bendy glory. No excessive plastics here. You'll have your tripod and the user manual, which you will probably never going to read it, but it's there. First thing I notice, it feels sturdy. The legs are wrapped in durable rubber grip texture, not too heavy, but definitely not flimsy. The constructions give you confidence. It won't collapse mid-shot like the one wobbly stand we all regret buying. Legs are fully bendable, wrap them around poles, tree limbs, desk edges, perfect for vloggers or outdoor shoots. This part is genius. Pop the top and a spring-load phone holder pops out. No adapters needed. It fits everything from an iPhone to a chunky Samsung Galaxy. Works with action cams, DSLRs, and mounts like magic arm or ball head. And the leg grip feels like a bike handlebar, rubber, super grippy, even in uneven surfaces. Anything with a 1/4-inch thread, it'll fit. If not, the phone holder's got your back. It stands well on the flat surfaces too. It's not just a clingy tripod, it's great for vlogging, handy to carry. For under 30 bucks, this tripod is portable, strong, flexible, just like your shooting schedule should be. Whether you're vlogging on Wild or filming your next YouTube masterpiece at home, the ULANZI MT-11 is a great addition. Let me know if you would like to give it a go. And let me know in the comments whether you are using any other tripod or a brand that you would like me to try on. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.